recently I played Saudi Smash where I beat world number 2 and I became world rank 24th. I beat Ukrainian girl Pesotska. It will grow more for sure. So I'm really happy to see Indian table tennis growing. So to be honest, my 2024 started like not that good because I had back pain, not injury but I had back pain. I played Doha, not so good. Then I lost few matches जो नहीं हारने चाहिए थे. But yes, after Saudi Smash, like recently I played Saudi Smash where I beat world number 2 and I became world rank 24th. So I'm really happy that this happened before Olympics because I think it will really motivate me and give me confidence to do well in Olympics. And I'm really happy how I'm practicing, how I'm training right now, and how everything is going around me is really positive. So I'm happy and ready to go to the Olympics. Of course, to win a medal, but I'll just go slowly. I'll go round by round and not think of medal playing my first round. So yes, I'll give my best for my country and make India proud. It will be tough, the Olympics will be tough, but I am sure that I'm ready to give it all. Tokyo was, I think I did really well over there. I beat Ukrainian girl Pesotska, then I lost to Sofia who is an Austrian. But I think I've learned many things from my last Olympics, and for sure I'm not going to make that mistakes again. And I have worked on my mental part, physical part, like mindset have changed a lot after that Olympics. I am being more calm and more, I have more confidence in myself. So I'm really happy that change has come after that Olympics. Yes, I've been working on my stamina, my agility, because table tennis is really a quick game. Yeah, so these few things I'm working on, and of course skills is there. So I'm working with my coach Aman Balgu on those things, technical things. The growth of women's table tennis in India, to be honest, it's really inspiring because I see many women athletes like my fellow players. They are playing really good. If I name Srija, Ahika, then Archana, everyone who's there in the team. So I think they are really motivated now, and they are training really hard. Recently only we were so close to China in World Championships. I beat world number 2, Ahika beat world number 1, Srija beat world number 2. So it's really, it's really inspiring to see each player to play their best and go all out. So yes, I think women in India table tennis, it's going to be like it will grow more for sure. So I'm really happy to see Indian table tennis growing. Of course, UTT has really helped us because we get to practice, train with foreign players or play matches before like a big tournament. Like now we have UTT after Olympics, and then we have tournaments, so we will get good practice and good match practice also. So I'm really happy that UTT has been, I would say support बहुत किया है. So I'm really happy with that.
Wonderful rally.
People are seeing in table tennis. Like अभी पहले बहुत यहाँ था, अभी they are seeing here, so I'm really happy with that change. We are going to give our best. Like for me personally, I will give my 1000% in singles and teams both. So I will just give my best for my country, for myself, and for the people who are cheering for me. So if we play with the confidence and we give all out, we can win in any category. Like I can win in singles, I can win in teams and support my team. So it's not that we have chance in singles, not in team, or we have to give our best. It's Olympics and it will come after 4 years. So we have to give our all out. Qualified for the first time in team, so this is a huge thing, I think. Like we are in national camp in Bangalore. We have a team support staff, we have coaches, personal coaches. Max Massimo is here. So I'm really happy how we all are working together, and we all want to give our best, including supporting staff. So I think we are close to the medal. We just have to go and enjoy and give our best in Olympics for our country. So he was there with me when I won a gold medal in Commonwealth Games. So I think with him I have really a good bond, and he helps me a lot. Like after he left India, at that time also he was messaging, or he was telling me what to do, what not to do. So I think it's really good that he's here in India and he's helping Indian team. Personally, I'm really happy that he's here.